Assalamualaikum friends. In this video I will show you how to create a simple Android game in just 3 minutes. The game you are seeing in the screen, I will make it now. So let's start. First of all, open a browser and type www.appsgazer.com. I will give the link in the video description box. After opening the website, you can see the interface of this site. You can make easily apps and games here. It's very nice and popular website. So click on create now for free. Here you can see many templates for apps and games. Here are some popular new. So I am click on all. Just click on show more. I will make a fishing game today. So just scroll down and you will find fishing game template. So I am just clicking on it. I have already made 2 videos for how to create a browser app and how to create game, but those videos were in Bengali. Now I am making this video in English. So choose a background for this game. So I am choosing a background. After choosing the background, we have to choose a player. There are some player and you can make custom. Choose hook and you can choose big fish, medium fish, small fish and many other things. So click on next and give a app name. So I am writing boat fishing. Now you can add description, but I will not add now. So click on custom icon and you can upload a custom logo for this game. So I am giving a logo for this game. You can make it or do custom or default icon. So our app is ready. Just click on create. So we have to sign in now on this website. So I am signing with Facebook. Okay guys, after sign in, we are in the dashboard and just scroll down. We can find many options here. So we have to download this app. We can publish it on Google Play Store and many app store. We can share it app. By the way, let's download this app. After clicking download, it will take some second to load. So just click on it. Now our file will download it. So let's play the game. So guys, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, click on the thumbs up button, comment down, and if you don't like the video, dislike the video. I don't care. I hope you all like the video. By the way, if you want more videos, subscribe our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.